Hey, this is Rich with Sewer Sluice. I'm at 14303 South Stoneridge in Oregon City. This is the second and final scope. There was a repair performed from a belly leading to the septic tank, and now we're going to go ahead and advance out and just confirm that everything's draining out properly. We currently have the bathroom sink running just to see the drainage, make sure it's got a decent slope and grade leading to the tank. Okay, there's about a ½ inch of standing water leading to the tank, but it looks a lot better than it did on the previous scope. And now we're going to flush a toilet and just see that everything's draining out to the tank. Okay, we just flushed the toilet. There it is. It's got a strong flow into the septic system. There's a little bit of a flat spot in the pipe, but it's not slowing down the flow and function to the tank at this time. We're going to pass this line. We're going to pull back camera.